Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to copy a comment on TikTok. If you come across a comment that you want to save or share, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the video with the comment you want to copy. Tap on the arrow icon from the icons to the right. This will bring up the options menu for the video. Step 3. Tap on the comment icon from the icons to the right. This will take you to the comment section for the video. Step 4. Tap and hold on the comment you want to copy. After a moment, a menu will appear. Tap on Copy to copy the comment to your device's clipboard. Now, you can paste the comment anywhere you like, whether it's sharing it with a friend or saving it for future reference. Copying comments on TikTok allows you to easily capture and reuse valuable content. Please note that it's important to respect the original author of the comment and give credit when necessary. If you're sharing the comment publicly, ensure that you have the appropriate permissions or consent. Thank you for watching, and enjoy copying and sharing comments on TikTok